Okay, so I was watching a tutorial about hooking the crochet hair, and some people had a few problems. So as you can see, I hooked it. I still have it connected inside the hook. Okay, so you make sure the latch is open. You grab it from the bottom, close the latch, pull it through the hole here. You can let it go if you like, and then pull the rest, just like this. Just like this. See, I did mine because being a wife and a mother of 10 children, I have to make it simple for me, so I did cornrows. You see, like this here. So I'm gonna try that one more time. Put it in here, latch it, close it, pull it, make sure it's inside the loop, wrap it around, close the latch, pull it inside the loop, and voila, you have it. It's latched on, just like that. One more time. You put, I'm going to start here in the front so you can see. Put it in here. You add the hair here. Pull it in. Make sure it's inside the hole there. You latch it here. Make sure you close the latch. And you pull it from there. It's that simple. It's latched on really good. And then you can just keep going. Shouldn't take, depending on how much hair you have, how big or small the braids are. Shouldn't take that long. It's going to take me about 2 hours to do this, and that's stop and go. Other than that, it might be a little sooner. Alright, there you have it. Seen it again. Alright, that's it.